So hey everyone, welcome to Guide Games. In this video, I'm going to tell you how Trello works for a business process management. So running a business without a proper system feels like juggling knives blindfolded. Tasks get missed, deadlines disappear, and suddenly everyone asking the same question: who was supposed to do this? That's where business process management or BPM comes in. And honestly, one of the easiest tools to start with is Trello. As you can see here, I just opened my Trello board here. I just named it Demo Automation just to show you how it actually works. So in this video, I will show you how business can use Trello to organize workflows, automate tasks, and stop chaos before it starts. Let's get into it. First, understand what is business process management. So, business process management is basically creating a system for how work gets done inside a company. Instead of random messages, forgotten snapshots, or spreadsheets and confusion, you create a repeatable workflow. Think about things like client onboarding, content creation, sales follow-ups, employees hiring, customer support, product delivery. Every business has processes. The difference is successful businesses manage it. Manage successful businesses manage them properly. Now here is why Trello works so well for this. So Trello is visual, you can see here. You can literally see every stage of your workflow on screen. The system is built around boards, list, cards. As you can see here, this is the system that I made demo automation. Here is the list of to do, doing, done, and XYZ. Here you can just add the to do task, then someone who is invited by you is get this into doing, and once this done, then he will just put it into this done. So yeah, this is how this actually works. So for example, imagine a content creation business. Your Trello board could look like ideas, script writing, editing, thumbnail design, schedule, publish. All these things comes in. Every video becomes a card that moves through the workflow like this. We just have to add all the things like labels, dates, checklist, members. You can add members to this card, like to whom you have provided this work to do. So simple, clean, and easy to track, and this works for almost any businesses. If you run marketing agency, you can also um, start a board with leads, then contacted, proposal sent, negotiation, close deal. All these things comes in this board, and all the public that are joined to this board will see what you have uh, given them for doing the task. Instead of manually updating everything, you can automate repetitive tasks here. And honestly, most businesses waste hours every week doing 10 repetitive tasks that software could handle automatically. Another underrated feature is checklist. So here you will find this option checklist. You can mark this as complete if you have done. Then again this you can mark like a complete. This is like the signal of that your work has done or someone is ticked this as a complete, is supposed to do this task if multiple members are added to this board. So your team is already has the process documented. Now anyone in the team can follow the same process consistently. The consistency is what scales business. And here is something important: Trello is not just for big companies. Mostly freelancers, creators, startups, even small local businesses can use it. Because once work becomes organized, stress drops massively. You stop relying on memory, you stop losing tasks, and your team actually knows what's happening. Now, is Trello perfect? Not exactly. For every advanced workflows, some companies eventually move to tools like Asana, ClickUp, Monday.com, Jira. But for simplicity and getting started fast, Trello is honestly one of the best options there, especially if you or your current system is just WhatsApp messages, sticky notes, and pure panic. So here is the takeaway. Business process management is not about making work completed, it is about creating a system that makes work predictable, repeatable, and scalable. And Trello gives you a simple visual way to build those systems without needing technical skills. If your business feels disorganized right now, don't try to fix everything at once. Start with one workflow, build one Trello board, organize one process, because small systems eventually build big businesses. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.